This is a Piqua Model 30 vertical baler, powered by a 20 horsepower, 230 volt, 3-phase electric motor. Makes a bale size of 30 inches by 24 inches by 36 inches. This is excellent for paper, cardboard, and corrugated product. Baler's in good condition. It's a door where you load it. Below is a door for removing. Each have limit switches to prevent operation while the doors are open. Control panel. Close the door to activate the limit switch. Raises the door for easy removal of the bale and for reloading. We'll go ahead and trip the limit switch to get an idea of seeing the platen go down with the door open. With the door open. Baler also can operate in the single stroke position. In that operation, the ram remains all the way down if you have a bale you need to tie. In the multi-stroke position, the ram automatically comes back up.
And after you get it tied,
see that this bottom door then opens for removal of the bale.